Guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center again. We got a new project on a Nissan Skyline GTT full conversion to GTR. We bought the parts for the car and then the car has been stripped completely. So let's go through the car and then a little explain what we're going to do on the car, and then of course changing color as well too. So here you go. Of course the wings are stripped, bonnet off. We just took the windows off as well, window screen, 4 of them off. We stripped everything from inside, of course back bumper, tailgate, side skirt. So now it's ready for cutting the quarter panels off, and then of course we have to extend the wheel arches from inside, exactly same the yellow one. So we're gonna have a fun with that car, and then of course you can see the wheels, they're gonna remain. So we put the wings just to see how the car is sitting, and then of course we have to change the color. That's all inside need to be painted. The color is gonna be very beautiful color. We have to do sample and then we post it on the another episode, and then I would like to hear from you guys if you really like the color. I'm going to do 2 samples and then we have to choose one of those. So we need to do a color not really has been done. I think somebody already done it, but it's gonna be pearl, so 3-stage paint. Of course RB26 is going to be on it, and wings going to be genuine wings, carbon fiber bonnet. Quarter panels, they are genuine, sitting on the sides. I will show you the quarter panels now as well. It's a bit hard to get the genuine quarter panels at the moment, but we got hold of them, which is very good for us. Of course this is the left side and this is the right side sitting here as well. Absolutely mint condition, no dents on them, which is good. So we're not gonna put filler work, only where we need to extend it, where we're going to do the extension. So this is the only filler work we're going to put on the quarter panels. Here we go. Now we're cutting the inner. As you can see, of course the quarter panel is off, so now it's being cut completely off, the inner panel. So what we're going to do now, we're going to replace it in here. So once we replace it in here, of course we will put the whole quarter panel with the inner section into it, so to see what gap it given us. And then after that we have to dig it in few places, and then we release the more grips, and then that will stay there, and then we will support it properly. And then after we supporting it, we start to put the extensions panels and then get it welded. So as we explained, it's already cut, and then now we put it with the quarter. Of course we attach it into the quarter panel, and we put the quarter panel, and then we put everything, and now we tagged it from here. So that's the way it's sitting, and now we start putting the pieces here and then getting it welded. So of course the way we put in it, it's edge to edge, so we're not putting in it overlap. So when we weld it, it will look absolutely amazing and nice. So yeah, that's much about it. This side. The other side is already completed. and looks absolutely insane, amazing this side. The gaps, perfect, no issue with the gaps at all, with the tailgate as well. And then if you look from inside, all what I have to do just to grind it, cylinder. Wow, amazing. John, original. Of course, spot weld everywhere here, around the quarter window, back window as well, and then when you open the door as well, all spot weld. We have done the sim sealer inside the petrol flap, nice and neat, and then sim sealer here as well to prevent any water goes inside the car. So I'm so happy with the quarter panel, the way it's sitting here. And then, by the way, we didn't apply the filler on the metal, so basically we have to put epoxy primer and then rubbing it down and then filler on the top of the epoxy primer. So it looks absolutely amazing, absolutely. It's highly recommended to do filler on the epoxy primer, not bare metal, not on the metal. I wanna touch it with my tongue when you finish, yeah?
Yeah.
I wanna touch it with my tongue to see the level. Yes, guys, we got more videos coming soon. We got more interesting projects coming soon as well. So we got so many Skylines in here. We got Tommy Kyra up there behind me. I've got another GTR as well here. Of course, both of them R34, and then we got another one here. It's already been done, and then I've got another one here. It's for restoration, and we're doing I'm doing what you call it, Sandy Blast at the moment. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. We'll catch up later, guys, with more interesting stuff. Thank you, take care, bye.